we are in the kitchen right now, getting ready for Taste of Dallas. So we are with Chef Asif right now. Chef Asif, tell a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Chef Asif. I'm from Naples, Florida. I'm here in Cook. Very happy to be here at the Taste of Dallas.
All right, awesome, awesome. And right now,
Hi, Chef.
hey, tell us a bit about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm Natalie, and I'm a sous chef in Houston, Texas. And I'm here in Taste of Dallas. I'm ready to have fun.
And we have the boss lady here, Chef Roshni. Say hi.
Houston, how you guys doing?
All right, so we are getting ready to prep in this kitchen, and it's gonna be 3 days of fun, interesting activities. So we'll bring this to you guys.
Serious about that.
So Chef, say it again. And you need a kebab.
Today I'm making hara bhara kebab. It's a small spinach patty made with spinach, potatoes, green peas, green beans, and cottage cheese, Indian cottage cheese called paneer. And it's the kebab. Kebab means anything which is barbecued or anything which is which is cooked on a live fire.
Unlike what we're traditionally known as a skewer, that we call the skewer kebabs, right?
Yeah, when we say kebab in America, it's always it's like something to do with peppers and it's skewered with meat. It's not true. Kebab's terminology is that anything which is barbecued is kebab, and there can be thousands of kebabs, different kinds of kebabs all over India and that region. There are so many different kinds of kebabs made, different things.
All right. So I have Chef Asif. Let me see the logo from 21 Spices. Chef Asif. Here you go, folks. The real terminology of kebab. getting ready. Local vendors, national vendors, you know. So this is just the foodie section. You have one of my favorite beers right here, Stella Artois. Going around. Hopefully we'll get a chance to go to the other activities that are going on around outside of this establishment. We have the palms. Hello. Hi there. So you have all these beautiful windows out here. Hello. We're here. So nice vendors. Some macarons. Put sweet patisserie. Hey, how you guys doing?
Let me get out of your way.
Nah, it's okay.
That's a lot prettier than we are. Or less meat, at least me.
All right.
Perfecto?
Where are you guys located?
Lowest Greenville. You know where Trader Joe's is at on Greenville
Nah,
Avenue?
this is my first time in Dallas.
Where are you from?
From Florida.
We're in Florida.
Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. I'm here for the foodie demo.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see you got the GoPro on and everything.
I know,
What are you
yeah.
making today?
Well, I'm going on Sunday, and we have another chef going on tomorrow. He's doing
Make him one of those tacos, please.
Okay.
I want you to try our puerco modelo.
All right. It up. Yo. And I totally encourage you guys, if there's those type of events going on in your city, to participate, to go and see what's going on, to get involved. Go have fun, taste, eat, drink. Otherwise, you live in a boring life. Okay? So go taste them things. Got the Art Institute of Dallas out here. It's Carlos Bake Shop Cake Boss. Yes, sir. And this right here, this is the cake for the night, bro. This came straight from Jersey, right? They drove it down from Jersey. You guys drove it down from Jersey, right?
Hoboken, Jersey.
Yeah. So you guys drove it over. Yeah, from Jersey to Dallas, Texas.
1,500 miles. 22 hours.
22 hours. You see this?
2 drivers.
And it came whole. So it's happy 30th birthday to Taste of Dallas. 30th birthday, Cake Boss. Straight from Jersey. They drove it down. So we have chef demos tonight, all weekend long. So all these are the activities going on at Taste of Dallas. You see this? So you can't mess with that.